Hello, I'm Tylah Tully, and today I'm joined by many Peaks Minerals Managing Director Travis Schwertfeger. Travis, thanks for being here today.
Yeah, good to see you again, Tylah.
So you've just received the first assay results from RC Scout drilling at the Odienné Gold Project in Cote d'Ivoire. Talk us through the campaign and what you found.
Yeah, basically it was our first RC drilling. It's follow-up to a couple of campaigns of air core, which is just reconnaissance, following up on a very large zone of surface geochemistry we've identified there. So it's about 30-kilometer strike of anomalism, gold, which extends on into probably a 10 million ounce district in Guinea to the west. And then we've got quite a few discoveries happening with Awale immediately to the south of us, contiguous with our land position. We've narrowed down to about 18 kilometers in strike, which is still a pretty big area where we're seeing multiple anomalies. We've stepped in on some of the better air core that we've seen. And yeah, we've got probably what's our first kind of economically viable intercept. But yeah, it's just one hole and still a little ways to go. So we're planning some geophysics and some more follow-up drilling for later in the year, and we'll keep progressing that to see if it builds into something more interesting.
I think you might have just touched on it there, but what do you know about the broader gold potential of Odienné as an emerging gold district?
Well, yeah, I have touched on it. Yeah, our neighbours to the south don't have resources announced yet, but I think clearly have something that's going to come together into a 43-101 compliant resource for them. It's definitely an emerging district, a lot of gold and more discoveries being found, and a similar structural setting to a very large district of gold mineralisation in Guinea to the west. So yeah, we believe the potential's there, and just takes a bit of time and work to outline that potential.
And while we've got you in the studio, can you also give us an update on how exploration is tracking along at Furky?
Yeah, we're still going quite aggressively. We had 3 rigs turning at once for a few months. We are coming into the wet season there, which is a couple of months of steady rain. Just a bit more difficult to move rigs around daily. Our diamond rigs, we're drilling some deeper holes. They move once a week, so we can comfortably drill diamond through the winter. We put one of the rigs on standby for a month to complete some RC, which finished just a few weeks ago. That's broader reconnaissance drilling, looking for new targets for us. We believe there's still a lot more potential across the larger belt. But concurrent with that, we're drilling what will be a resource for us in the coming year at our Warigi prospect within Furky. So we've now brought the second diamond rig back online with the RC finished, and quite aggressively drilling to understand what the full extent of that mineralized zone is before we take it into resource modeling.
So what news flow should investors be keeping an eye out for over the next couple of months?
Yeah, definitely that reconnaissance work that we've done at Furky. Yeah, we see some potential to find the next center of focus for follow-up drilling. And yeah, we'll continue to put out some good diamond results as the Warigi prospect grows ahead of that resource estimate. So that'll be steady results every month for the next 3 to 4 months, and then we'll be making a decision on when we do a resource estimate for the coming year. But yeah, should be in 2026 we'll have enough data to do our first resource estimate and really start having a hard look at the economics.
Definitely sounds like exciting times ahead. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you so much. Cheers.
For more ASX news and analysis, subscribe below.